Alright, there we go. There's the last 7 tapes. We're going to move phase by phase and vacuum the rest up. Here we go. Wrap tape. Another crumb delay. Alright, 3 down. Another. This is En Vogue, Born to Sing. Carmen Goulet. And our grand finale. There goes the last tape. There she goes. Alright, one-time shot. I think that was pretty good. Let's just take a look at the filter now. There you go. That's all those taped. Well, we better empty this up really quick before they freak out. Well, there you have it, folks. I have now vacuumed up every cassette tape that I wanted to basically dispose of. Well, happy 2010 to everybody. That ends the decade of me doing vacuuming tapes, blowing speakers, and scratching records, etc., etc. I hope you enjoyed. And hopefully next year I can come up with some more wacky, crazy ideas.